Chunnu and Munnu wore their skates, helmets on and happy faces straight. Wobble left and wobble right, holding hands with all their might. "Woo!" said Chunnu, "watch me roll." Down the lane they hit their goal. Munnu spins, then down he goes, riding to a pile of clothes. They laugh and giggle, then try again, skating slowly like a train. Step by step they start to glide, zooming with their arms spread wide. The sun was bright, the path was smooth, their skates were fast, their balance smooth. Chunnu jumps a little stone, Munnu races all alone. Zoom, 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 they circle round, rolling wheels and cheerful sound. They took a break and sipped some juice. "I love to skate," said Munnu loose.